Okay, this is the box that it came in. It's 8.91 inch widescreen. I've already installed it using the suction cup, but these I wanted to show the box and whatever is left. It had a pamphlet, user manual. This is a dash mount. You can stick it to the dash. This is an extra mounting sticker and cable. This is the backup camera option. I'm not using the backup camera because I already have a backup camera in this car. This is mount sticker if you wanted to, instead of using the suction cup on the windshield and you want to mount the suction cup onto the dash, this will help keep it there. And this is the cigarette lighter power option, but I'm not using that because I'm connecting directly to the fuse. That's it. Alright, this is the Android Auto CarPlay device. It's 8.01 inch screen, widescreen, and it's installed. As you can tell, it has pretty good. It leaves a clear view on the windshield. You have not blocking your visibility. It's currently connected to the car via the fuse box, so that I'm not using the cigarette adapter right now. We turn on the car, which will power on. This will power on and off with the car. I'm going to turn it on now. Right, we're at the home screen. You can see that it has CarPlay mode, Android Auto, Super Link. The car I'm connected, as you can hear the music also, is it automatically goes into the Android Auto connection by default, the last connection, Android Auto. And let me go back to the home screen again. You click on that and click on exit. Back to home screen. Have CarPlay, Android Auto. It's already shown that it's connected. And Super Link. Audio output. Super Link is connecting with an app, I believe. I'm not using that. Audio output, as you can see over here, you have different modes. Speaker, which will play the sound through the device. Bluetooth, which is what I'm currently using, will play the sound through the car if your car supports Bluetooth audio. Then if it doesn't, you can use the FM option, which plays through a FM station, or auxiliary if you have a cable that can connect an audio cable directly. But I use Bluetooth because it has it and it's also wireless. Okay, so going back to Android Auto, you can see the apps that you have here. And scrolling is pretty smooth. You can have Google Maps and other apps, whatever apps Android Auto support. The other option here is also Waze. I can load up Waze here. And you can see scrolling around is pretty smooth. On the left shows the apps that are currently, the last apps that are played. You can go to the phone. You can switch to music. I use Bluetooth, YouTube Music. Right there, you can hear the audio coming out of the car. And let me switch back to the map. So you can show the map as the full widescreen, or right here, the button here on Android Auto, it allows you to put 3 apps in a layout like this. So Google Maps will be on the main screen, and then you have music on the side, and also destination as the last recent destination up top. With the backup camera is connected, you can see that it's showing the backup camera. You can switch back, but that's it. So once you turn off the car, the device will also turn off with it.